Nzulezu. This is one place we've always heard about while we were in school. Today we decided, let's go to Nzulezu. And this was one of our most exciting trips and the most stressful. We woke up by 3 a.m, got ready, got to the mall, left and went to Nzulezu. I think it's like 4-5 hours from Accra. I may be wrong. While we were in the car, we had fun, sang, danced. We got off at some spot, went to pee and everything. Charlie, people had to let go all the dirty energy that was inside of us.
This is your time.
Then we continued on our journey to Takoradi. So we finally get to Takoradi.
Charlie, so as part of the regular tripping to the town to see the places and tourist attractions and things, today, Charlie, where we can't reach.
You don't say it is sensible.
We bring the boys and girls to experience the fun
what is
activity.
that kind of ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kojo Sheldon and this is Fuck You.
And we're supposed to pay money. And this is where all of our stress started from. We paid the money, we had to wait for like 2 hours. So while we were waiting, man then decided, let's go and walk by the beach, take pictures, fly the drone, run around. And yeah, eventually they called us that, yo, your boat is ready, you guys can move.
So squad,
Yo,
we can't pay the money we supposed to for payment. So right now, we dey do some movements go there.
yeah.
Then they lie.
For me, go across will be some 2 days. Get paid and everything for the bag.
So yeah, we just they do the movements go there, then we will see the waterlands and the hinterlands. So yeah, catch you on the flip side.
Only for us to find out that we're supposed to pay extra money to get on the boat. So wait, hold up. The money we paid before, what's that money for? Then they tell us that money is like entry fee to the village. They told us that the money we paid for, we get to use this poverty-stricken boat that water has entered. We are like, boss, we'll use it. If that's what government provided for this trip, we'll use it. When anything happens to us, you guys would face the penalty for it. So they were scared and they gave us good boats to use. Got to Nzulezu and the place was nice, but then we didn't have the most fun because we were seeing that people were living in not so best living conditions. We went on tour around the community, went to their town hall and looked around, bought a few things, took pictures, and that is how our trip to Nzulezu ended. It's a very beautiful place. I feel like government can do better, invest the monies that we are paying into this community so that these people can have better living conditions. That's why tourism and all of this thing is there. It's not for you guys to carry the money and use it for your own pocket. It's for this community. So please, government of Ghana and whoever is listening, if you can do something about this. We know we are not the first people to be here, but we are appealing to anybody that's ready to listen. Help our lives and help these people.
If you get money, don't spend it on unnecessary things. Don't buy unnecessary food. You get right. Travel, tour, see, eat. You get travel.
Thank you very much. Peace, love, and positivity. Cheers.